Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint. Okay, so you want to select your flash drive. As you can see, mine is a vendor there. Select your flash drive, then click enter. So here you just want to click enter where it says start Linux Mint. Just give it a second to load. Yeah, once you do that, you should see the Mint icon on the screen. Yes, then Linux Mint will boot. As you can see, we want to install it, so just click the install file, which is install Linux Mint. Double click on that, then you should get a dialog which is here. Select your language, of which I've gone with English. Then you want to click continue. Then here, same thing for the keyboard and language. Choose whichever language you prefer. I've gone with English. Then here you want to install multimedia. Okay. Then here we are going to erase the disk. So if the disk is blank, you've only connected one, just go with install now. Then here just telling you that it's going to erase everything on the drive that you selected. Just say continue, since this is a new installation. Then it will give you this dialog saying what's your location. Click the location. Then here you want to put in your information. Okay, so once you're done with filling in the information, you should see the bar at the bottom, of which it's going to reach the far end, and then once it reaches the far end, another one will pop up which is installing system, and that way it will install the system. Then at this stage you want to click restart, because it's asking you to restart. Just restart the PC so that we can boot into our freshly installed Linux Mint. So here you just leave it to do its thing, set up our desktop, and as you can see here, you remove your flash drive, then you press enter. Once you do that, you should get this dialog screen with your logging in. So the password you had put in earlier, fill it in here so that we can log into your system. Once that boots up, as you can see, you have your nice looking desktop, very nice, and as you can see by default it will install and set up your dual monitors, as you can see in the video. Then with the dialog, if you want, you can just quickly close it, or you can read through and change the colors and everything just by the dialog. Then if we right click, you can even open in terminal, as you can see, which is a cool thing if you have ever used Linux. And also you get a nice looking terminal as well. Then under the home you get everything like files, downloads, all those things, you find them here. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit notifications. See you in the next video.